Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today my mother is going to show you how to do a icing and decoration on a 1 kg cake. First demold the cake and then cut it into 3 slices. Then start the cake icing. First take a slice of cake, then add sugar syrup on top of the cake, then add cream and then repeat the same process 2 times. And then start crumb coating. After crumb coating, put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take it out of the refrigerator and start cake decoration and icing. After cake icing, my mother noticed the base was too small, so she transferred it to a big base. Our cake is 6 inch, so we took a 8-inch base. You guys can take a 6-inch cake base if you have 4-inch cake. After finalizing, we are going to shade it on the side with pink color. And then we are going to add chocolate ganache on top. If you guys don't want to add the chocolate ganache and you want to decorate it like that without the chocolate ganache, you guys can do it. This chocolate ganache recipe is in my mother's channel. You guys can check it out if you want. And then we are going to refrigerate it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take it out of the refrigerator and we are going to decorate it on top however you want. You guys can do it however you want. We are decorating it with some petals. You guys can add anything you want. And we also added some chocolates on the bottom and on the top. This was actually a delivery cake for a small boy named Aryan, so we gave him after writing his name. After doing everything, we put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, then we give it to the delivery boy. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.